Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to compute the derivative of polynomials using NumPy's numpy.polyder function. We'll also look at how to evaluate these derivatives at specific points. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is a mathematical expression that can be represented in the form \p x equals a underscore nx caret n plus a underscore n1 x caret n1 plus a underscore 1x plus a underscore 0 backslash, where backslash a underscore n, a underscore n1, a underscore 0 backslash are coefficients and backslash n backslash is a non-negative integer representing the degree of the polynomial. Derivative of a polynomial. The derivative of a polynomial gives us the rate at which the polynomial value changes with respect to backslash x backslash. For example, the derivative of backslash p x equals x caret 2 plus bx plus c backslash is backslash p x equals 2x plus b backslash. Using NumPy for polynomial derivatives. NumPy provides a convenient way to handle polynomials through its numpy.poly1d and numpy.polyder functions. The numpy.polyder function allows us to compute the derivative of a polynomial represented in coefficients. Step-by-step tutorial. 1. Import NumPy. First, you need to import the NumPy library. 2. Define a polynomial. You can define a polynomial using its coefficients. 3. Compute the derivative. Use numpy.polyder to compute the derivative of the polynomial. 4. Evaluate the polynomial and its derivative. You can use the numpy.polyval function to evaluate the polynomial and its derivative at specific points. Example code. Here's a complete example demonstrating these steps. Explanation of the code. Defining the polynomial backslash p x equals 2x caret 3 plus 3x caret 2 plus 4x plus 5 backslash is defined using its coefficients. Computing the derivative, the numpy.polyder function is used to derive the polynomial. Evaluating at a point, we evaluate the polynomial and its derivative at backslash x equals 2 backslash. Plotting, finally, we use matplotlib to visualize the polynomial and its derivative. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to define polynomials and compute their derivatives using NumPy. We also saw how to evaluate these polynomials at specific points and visualize them using matplotlib. This is a powerful technique for polynomial analysis and is widely used in numerical methods and scientific computing.